So guys, this is what I'm purging. All this right here. Little things every day or little things every week or every other day makes a big difference. So definitely purge what you can and get rid of it. Just get rid of it, bless somebody with it, donate it, do something with it, but don't leave it in your space, because if you're not using it, I promise you, after a while, you're going to start to get irritated with it. So guys, a lot of people like to see people clean their sinks. I just got done cleaning out that drawer and cleaning out my bottom. Actually, that bottom thing under the stove is actually a warmer, but you know, we use it for, a lot of people use it for storing stuff. So I actually put let me show y'all what I did. I used to have my baking cooling racks, my muffin pans and stuff in here. And y'all know I bake, so I'm not going to get rid of that stuff. I actually use it. So I put the cooling racks here and the mini muffin tins and the big muffin tins here. And that's what I'm going to store into here, being that I didn't have anything in here. So I decided to get those out the way and give them their own space. So yeah, guys, I want to just talk to you as I do this. Because like I said, it's early in the morning. Everyone's asleep. And yeah, I definitely need to clean this sink out. When I wash dishes, I didn't clean it out. So I'm like, let me do it while I'm talking to you guys. A lot of times, it's difficult. I'm going to tell you guys, it is so difficult to try to purge and try to declutter things. And I find myself becoming sentimental with things that I shouldn't be sentimental with. I find myself every time, because I'm in a zone of not creating more waste and making my thumbprint very small in this world, that I found myself literally every time I take and remove something or get ready to say, oh, I don't need this, or something falls apart, I'm looking at it like, what can I use it for? But you know what? That's kind of a hoarder tendency as well. I was talking to a client, and she was saying that her grandmother in Florida has a friend that always tries to bring stuff to her and give her stuff that she doesn't want. And it's like really crazy, the stuff that this lady gives her grandmother. And she said she had to go to the lady and said, stop giving my grandmother this stuff. So here was the thing. The lady didn't want to keep it because she know that her house was ridiculously overpacked from hoarding. So she was giving it to her because she felt like she couldn't release stuff and she didn't want to throw it away. And then she can visit her to come see the items. I said, wow, I never thought about it like that. But yes, it is crazy how hoarding, the mindset, even if a minimal hoarding, some people are mini hoarders where they hoard certain things that they shouldn't, and because of their past or because of a actual life experience, they'll decide to keep stuff that they don't need to keep. And so I was telling you guys how I end up cleaning out my microwave really good and getting that burn mark out. And I said, you know what, I'm thankful that it does work, even though they're not going to fix it because the warranty is up. I'm fine with that. I'm fine. I'm learning to be thankful, grateful, and content until God bless me with whatever it is he feel I deserve. So I'm just going to take my brush, my this thing I love. I got it from Walmart. I love it, but I think I messed it up because it kind of falls apart sometimes. And what I do is just go in and I go over the grates to make sure any food or anything is not stuck on it, because that's nasty and that cause smells in the kitchen. So that's basically what I do. And then I just rinse it, and that's it. So yeah, I am having to basically talk to myself. You don't need it. Get rid of it. Throw it away. Bless somebody. Not throw it away. Give it away. Bless somebody with it. Get rid of it. You're going to feel better. And like I said the other day, we can't, and taking the time, I don't want to waste time in my life. I want my time to be spent not cleaning up things that I accumulate in my house that are unnecessary. I want my time to be spent. And this is just baking soda and bleach that I used to clean out the microwave earlier. And I'm just going to keep that there until I utilize that. And it's all gone. So, yeah. But we spend time cleaning and dusting and organizing knickknacks and stuff. I would challenge you, don't buy any organization unless you really have to organize something that you truly, truly, truly know that you want to keep. Don't buy any more organization things, because what we're doing is organizing a lot of stuff that we don't need. So let's not organize it. Declutter it, get rid of it. If you know you're not using it and you haven't used it in months, get rid of it. So that's what I've been doing. I've been taking my organization containers, pulling them out of places, and I'm going to donate them to my kids' school. You know, teachers can always use extra little bins and stuff like that for school to separate the kids' items and, you know, different projects that they do. So I'm going to take them to the school. And look, let me show you. I had a ton of these. A ton of these. So these ones I want to keep for my business. I'm going to clean them up really well and put them on the shelves to separate different things. But, oh, excuse me, but yeah, the ones that I'm not using and the ones that I can't use, I'm going to donate those to my daughter's classroom so that her teacher can use them. And what else? There was something else I was going to tell you guys. But yeah, I just want to share this journey with you guys because I'm trying to get my home like I want it, and more organized, peaceful, and less cluttered with a whole bunch of stuff that I'm not using. The key is, if you're not using it, get rid of it. That is the easiest way to start decluttering. Challenge yourself to do an item a day, 2 items a day, and just go in every room, or say, hey, I'm going to find something in every room every day and get rid of it. Challenge yourself to do that, because that's why I kept telling you guys, I said, I feel like my space is not where it is. That's why I haven't done any tours or anything like that and really showed you what I wanted you to see, because I'm not feeling what I see, and I'm not feeling the way I want to feel in my home, because I feel like it's too much of a lot of things in certain areas. It's not cluttered, but it's still too much in certain areas. Even when I open a closet, even if it's concealed and out of the way and nobody can't see it, I want that closet to be like, ah, you know what I mean? So that's my goal. I love you guys. It is now 4 o'clock in the morning, and I am getting ready to put these into a little box and wrap it up. And I will see you guys later. I hope you like these videos. This is the part 2 because my camera clunked out on me, and y'all know I'm doing straight from my phone because I can't do any editing now. So I still want to share this journey. And the ones that I recorded previously, like my purging of my shoes, scarves, handbags, and stuff like that, I'm gonna have to find a way to edit them and get them to you and make the thumbnails and all that. But I'm still going to be sharing videos until I'm able to share the ones I truly want to share. So I will see you guys later, Gators, and remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. Bye bye.